What if I told you there are people right now using completely free AI tools to make money online every single day? Not in some complicated way, but in very simple, repeatable steps. And the crazy part is, most beginners never try this because they think you need skills or experience or money to start. But today, that's not true anymore. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 powerful AI tools that are free to start. And more importantly, I'll show you exactly how a complete beginner can use each tool to start making money step by step. So don't just watch this video, think of this like a walkthrough, where you can literally follow along and start today. Let's start with the first tool, Google AI Studio. Now, if you're a beginner, this might look like just another AI tool, but it's actually much more powerful than that, because this tool can think with you and help you create content without you having to struggle. Let me show you step by step. First, open Google AI Studio. You'll see a simple interface. Don't worry about all the options, just focus on the main prompt box. Now click there and type something like, "I want to start a YouTube channel about making money online. Give me 10 video ideas for beginners." Now click Generate and wait a few seconds. You'll instantly see a list of ideas. Now here's what most people do. They stop here, but this is where you go further. Pick one idea and then type, "Write a full YouTube script for this idea in simple English." Now you get a complete script. Now think about this. There are thousands of people online who want scripts but don't know how to write them. That's your opportunity. You can take this, slightly edit it, and sell it as a service. Or even better, use it to build your own YouTube channel. This is exactly how many faceless channels start. Simple, fast, and scalable. Now let's move to the next tool, Perplexity AI. Think of this like a smarter version of Google, but instead of giving you links, it gives you direct answers with real sources. Let's try something. Open Perplexity and type, "What are the best online business ideas for beginners in 2026?" Now hit search. You'll see a clean answer, broken down clearly. Now here's where this becomes powerful. You can take this information and turn it into content. For example, you can create a YouTube video based on this topic, or write a blog post, or even create a simple PDF guide. Now imagine doing this daily, one topic per day. In 30 days, you have 30 pieces of content. That's how consistency builds income, and you didn't need to research manually. Now let's talk about something visual, Leonardo AI. This is where you create images, thumbnails, and designs. Now, if you've ever clicked on a YouTube video, it's probably because of the thumbnail. That's the first thing people see, and creators are always looking for better thumbnails. Let me show you how easy this is. Open Leonardo AI, go to Image Generation. Now type a prompt like YouTube thumbnail, shocked expression, bright colors, high contrast, cinematic lighting. Now click Generate. Within seconds, you'll get multiple thumbnail options. Now imagine this. You go to a small YouTuber and offer them better thumbnails. Even if you charge a small amount, this can scale quickly because every video needs a thumbnail. Now, this next tool is one of the easiest ways to create viral videos using AI. And the best part is, you don't need any editing skills at all. This tool is called PixVerse AI, and it can turn simple ideas into short videos within seconds. Let me show you exactly how this works step by step. First, open PixVerse AI in your browser and log in. Once you're inside, you'll see a simple interface with an option to create videos. Now, click on the text to video option. This is where you tell the AI what kind of video you want. Now, click on the input box and type something simple like a cinematic scene of a luxury car driving on a mountain road, sunset lighting, smooth motion. You don't need to be perfect, just describe what you want. Now, click Generate and wait a few seconds. And just like that, you'll get a short video created completely by AI. Now, take a moment to think about this. You didn't shoot anything, you didn't edit anything, but you still created a video. And this is where the opportunity is. You can use PixVerse to create short videos for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Short-form content is one of the fastest ways to grow online right now. You can also create simple videos for small businesses who need content for their social media. Most businesses struggle to create content consistently, but now you can help them using AI. You can offer this as a service and get paid for creating videos in just a few minutes. Or you can build your own pages, post regularly, and grow an audience. And once you have attention, you can monetize it through affiliate marketing or digital products. The best part? PixVerse gives you free credits, so you can start without any investment. Of course, there are limits, but it's more than enough to test and get results. So if you've ever felt that video creation is complicated or takes too much time, this tool completely changes that. Now, you can go from idea to video in just a few clicks. And that's why tools like this are creating real opportunities for beginners to start making money online. Just remember, don't overthink it. Start simple, create consistently, and improve over time. Because the faster you take action, the faster you grow. Now, this next tool is something most people still don't know about, but it's quietly becoming one of the most powerful AI tools available right now. This tool is called DeepSeek, and the best part is it's completely free to use. Yes, free. And what makes DeepSeek different is how strong it is at thinking, reasoning, and solving problems. Let me show you exactly how you can use this to make money online. First, open DeepSeek in your browser and create a free account. Once you log in, you'll see a simple chat interface, just like other AI tools. But here's where it gets interesting. Instead of asking basic questions, we're going to use it for real-world income ideas. For example, type this prompt: give me 5 beginner-friendly freelance services I can start using AI tools. Hit enter, and instantly, DeepSeek will generate ideas like content writing, video scripting, social media management, and more. Now, don't stop there. This is where most people fail. Pick one idea and go deeper. Let's say you choose content writing. Now type, create a sample blog post about fitness for beginners, and within seconds, you'll get a complete draft ready to use. Now imagine this: you take that content, edit it slightly, and offer it as a service on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Clients are already paying for this kind of work, but now you're doing it faster with AI. And that means you can take on more clients and increase your income. But it doesn't stop there. You can also use DeepSeek to generate YouTube scripts just like this one. You can create Instagram captions, email campaigns, product descriptions, and even business ideas, all in minutes. Another powerful way to use this tool is for research. Let's say you want to start affiliate marketing. Just ask, "Give me trending products in fitness niche with high demand." Now, you're not guessing, you're making decisions based on data, and that's what separates people who make money online from those who don't. The biggest advantage here is speed. What used to take hours now takes minutes, and when you combine speed with consistency, that's where real results happen. The best part? You don't need any experience to get started. You just need to take action. So instead of spending weeks learning everything, start using tools like DeepSeek to shortcut the process. Because in today's world, the people who win are not the ones who work harder, they're the ones who use smarter tools, and this is one of them.
Next is Gamma AI. This is all about presentations. Now, you might think, why presentations? But here's the truth. Businesses, students, and startups all need presentations. Let's try it. Open Gamma, type, "Create a pitch deck for a new fitness app." Click Generate, and instantly you get slides, structured, designed, ready to use. Now imagine offering this as a service. Quick delivery, high value, and very low effort. Now, this next tool is completely different from anything we've seen so far, because instead of just answering questions, it actually understands your documents. This tool is called NotebookLM, and it's built by Google. And what makes it powerful is you can upload your own content, and the AI will learn from it. Let me show you exactly how this works step by step. First, open NotebookLM in your browser and sign in. Now, create a new notebook. Here, you can upload files like PDFs, Google Docs, or even copy and paste text. For example, you can upload an ebook, a blog article, or research notes. Once your content is uploaded, NotebookLM starts analyzing it. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You can ask questions based only on your content. So instead of getting random answers, you get focused, relevant insights. Now, let's talk about how you can use this to make money. One powerful way is content creation. Let's say you upload a long article or a guide. Now ask, summarize this into a YouTube script, and within seconds, you'll get structured content ready to use. You can do the same for blog posts, Instagram captions, or email newsletters. This saves you hours of work. Another powerful use case is freelancing. Clients often give large documents, reports, or research materials, and they want simple summaries or content created from it. Now, instead of reading everything manually, you can upload it here. Ask NotebookLM to summarize, simplify, or rewrite, and deliver the work much faster, which means you can take more projects and earn more. Another smart way to use this tool is for learning and selling knowledge. You can take complex topics like finance, fitness, or business, upload resources, and let the AI simplify them. Then turn that into digital products like guides, ebooks, or courses, and sell them online. The biggest advantage here is accuracy, because NotebookLM uses your data, not random internet content. So your output feels more reliable and more professional. And that's exactly what clients want. The best part? It's free to use and very beginner-friendly. You don't need any technical skills. Just upload, ask, and create. So if you've ever felt overwhelmed by too much information, This tool helps you turn information into income, and that's the real power of AI. Now, let me tell you something important. You don't need to use all these tools. That's where most beginners go wrong. They try everything and end up doing nothing. Instead, pick one tool, start small, and take action today. Because right now, the opportunity is not in knowing, it's in doing. And the people who take action today are the ones who will benefit the most in the next few months. If you want simple AI tools that actually make money, hit subscribe right now, because the tools I'm sharing, most people will discover too late. And I'm posting these step-by-step methods regularly, so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you in the next video.